I am so embarrassed.
Right, when I have no
find
comes in.
them. I forget it. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It is KAM.
For real.
And today we have an amazing video planned for you. So as you can tell from the title, we're doing the Who Knows My Mother Best challenge. So with us today we have my aunt, Auntie Maxine, then mommy,
Hi guys.
myself, and my younger brother
And only.
and only Kason. So basically, the rules of the game are: one, mommy's gonna ask a question, whatever question it is. We don't know, okay? So none of us we know the questions that she's gonna ask, but then we have, I think, 30 seconds or until she says finish to write the answer down on this paper, and then we show it to the camera once she says show it. So we'll show it, and then you see who has the right answer, because she then tell us the correct answer. In just a disclaimer, guys, I wanted to have a whiteboard, okay, because I wanted to look profesh. However, I was unable to find one, so we're just gonna use the A4 paper for now. Okay,
I have a whiteboard, man.
thank you. All right, over to you.
Okay guys, let's go. Are you all ready?
Yeah.
Okay, my first question is, what is my middle name? Let's go.
Oh, your middle name?
What is my middle name?
No, but I look on this now.
I feel that way, man.
Okay, we are working with time here.
Oh, yes.
And
Boy.
stop writing.
1, 2. Oh, sorry, enemy.
1, 2, 3. Let me see.
Oh.
Show it to you? Correct, you are.
By right, case I put S and a Z for there.
That's alright.
It's
That's
like a
spelling
contest.
That's alright. That's alright. Alright, next
So
question.
far, everybody gone one, right?
Okay.
But she put on the points there, mother.
Yeah, point sign in your all. That's one.
Okay.
Next question. One of my sibling and I share the same birth month.
Oh.
Which sibling is it?
Whoa.
One of my sibling and I share the same birth month. Which sibling is that? Come on, Casey. Wow.
Have it,
No,
people.
don't cheat.
People,
No
have
cheating.
it.
No cheating.
Okay, I think time is up.
1.
1, 2, 3. Let's go. Mark is correct.
I guess because I was getting the furry first.
Okay, you're going.
I was scribbling something for you.
No, guys, I am gonna hide my paper
Yes,
because the people
definitely.
on cheating.
No.
Definitely.
I guess.
I think so.
Alright. Let's get back to
Okay.
it. Come, Casey. Come on, Casey. Don't disappoint. Alright, next question is, when I traveled for the first time, where did I go? When I traveled for the first time,
Specific
where
place?
did I go?
Alright, can I say who you
We
went
can
to?
put the state.
Where I went, not who I went to. Where did I go?
Okay, no cheating.
No cheating and don't
No,
lie
man.
and-
You ask question and you know Auntie Maxine know that
No,
movie.
you know as well, because you were right here.
I was
So
right-
you know,
I
yes,
was in
darling.
Jamaica. Never give me, don't give me tip.
Okay, let's go.
Wait,
Stop.
mommy, you ever give some time, because even me, I think about it. You ready?
Alright, Casey.
Well, first time we do what?
Do it.
That's alright. If you have the state or you have
Alright, 1.
2, 3, let's go. Atlanta it is.
Georgia.
Atlanta,
Georgia.
Correct. Great job. Great job.
So far we're going. Give me just a harder question, man.
What is my favorite dish? What's my favorite dish?
Oh, simple man.
Because
What's my
guys,
favorite dish?
and me alone don't live a Jamaican, no, by the
No.
way.
Guys, we Zoom every day. Good? So just let you know.
Dish as in one thing or like
Yeah, because it's very complicated. Right? You like a lot of things.
My
one
favorite is upper Jamaican.
Dish.
My
Alright.
favorite dish.
This one is going to beat me.
Come on, Scrapper. Alright.
Oh wait, no,
Oh, don't bump people. Don't bump people.
I'm
Don't
not
cheat.
playing paper, sir. I'm not
Okay, let's go.
That wrong.
1, 2, 3.
Stew peas.
Pork and rice and peas.
No, can't pork. What is it? What is
How
it?
much? What?
No, my favorite dish really is red pea soup.
I was close. I thought it would be stew peas
No.
instead.
Red pea soup. You know, Kason.
You give me points?
No.
Oh.
I can give him
Oh.
half because he has
Alright,
the
fine.
stew peas there. Okay, what's my favorite pastime? What's my favorite pastime?
What do you mean by pastime though?
Like my hobby, what I like to do
In your spare
in
time?
my spare time.
Okay.
Oh, this is
Mommy, you have to be.
like recent or because it's
Yes,
very-
because since pandemic start, you.
yeah, it kind of changed. So
Okay. Alright.
I have something here. I just have something here. Not sure, but I'm just guessing this answer.
Yes,
Wait.
are you finished?
No.
Are you ready, Kason?
it's very complicated. Yeah, sure.
Alright. Not bad.
Okay, what do you have, Kason?
I have read it.
Okay, what do you
Question
have?
mark. I have on the tablet watching morning devotion / fingers from the heart / planka boss.
No, wait. See, that's where I said it
No.
would be different.
I just have surf in the net.
That would be a good one too.
Mommy,
But
hold
this
on,
one, no,
let me
this one
say
is very
who
different.
right.
I have surf in the net.
No,
Who
this
is
is-
correct?
Both of you would be correct but come on, be more specific.
But you said pastime, my bro.
People,
No, that is more
come
specific.
out.
Is this wrong?
No, surf in the net.
General.
In general, but honestly, this one would be more specific.
Thank
so
you.
I'll give you a half. As
Okay.
a maxing and I'll give you one. Come.
All right, I'll take
Wait,
that.
wait,
And nothing for you.
You said,
Kason.
you said
Nothing
old
for you, sir.
pastime. You said old, so I didn't know it was a current. You know, so I
Sir,
asked
you
if it was
can't,
current.
you can't negotiate the
I
point.
did ask you if it was
You
current.
can't negotiate the point system, sir.
All right.
Okay, let's go. I'm going to give you an easy one now, Kason.
7.
She
What's
said
the
you.
total number of nieces and nephews that
Oh,
I
that's very
have?
hard.
Meaning brother and sister only, right? Not in-laws.
Nieces and nephews.
But not in-laws, right?
No, dear.
Okay.
I'm coming.
My
Give me a time
brother's
for that.
children, my
My
sister's children. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, wait there.
You can do it. Don't let them see what you have.
Not at all.
But right, Auntie, you know what, guys?
Yeah, this is a very tricky because
Auntie
Auntie Maxine
Maxine
would
would
know.
know, right?
That's,
You would know it.
You
They're
would
your
know
cousins.
too. You would know too.
Yeah, they're your cousins.
Alright,
Let's go. What do
one.
you have? 2, 3. Reveal. Okay. What do you have, Kason?
I have
6.
6.
No.
I don't know.
What do you have, Carl?
8 is wrong. I have 10.
What? No, mommy!
10.
Why
Come
10?
out!
10 minutes
Well,
in.
come
Which
out!
10?
Nego's 3 children.
I did not
yes.
want to
Come.
edit that part.
I am so embarrassed.
Okay, guys, you know that I'm big on godchildren.
McCann.
Now, my question is, which godchild visits me most often? Which godchild visits
Kiss
me
him.
most often?
Make the cameraman.
You're out hard. People, I have that one here. I have that one here on lock. So, mommy, what are we gonna get for win? Who? Any price for the winner?
Yes, man, you have a prize here.
Say it on the camera. What is it? What is it?
A prize to Millennium, and you choose the ice cream of your. You have an ice cream of your choice.
Wow.
Oh,
You
You're
haven't
ready.
had enough time, Kason?
One,
No,
two,
Kason, did you look?
1,
2, 3. What's that?
Daniel Pitney, Jada.
Yeah, Jada.
I never remember
Jada.
name at first. I said from Daniel.
Dude, Daniel Pitney.
Yeah, look.
Jesus, Kason. Alright, what is my shoes size?
You know.
This tricky.
You have 2 sizes in them?
See it?
Right,
And
right.
Okay, I have two sizes. So either of them, I'll
Direct.
accept. I'll accept
Okay.
either of them. That's
Okay.
alright. I'll accept either of them.
Okay.
Come on.
What you?
Okay, let's go. What is it, Kason?
Kason first.
Ah,
No,
One.
slippers 8, 7.5, shoes 8.
no, wrong.
No,
eight.
no. 7. Mommy, I shoes at 8.
Shoes are 8, the shoes are 8.
7 or 7.5.
7 or 7 and
But
a
yeah,
half.
7.5
for
7 and a
slippers.
half.
7 or 7.
7.5, but
Yeah.
she wears 8 in shoes.
No, darling.
No.
No.
Really?
No,
No,
Kason.
7
No,
and a half.
not that time.
Really?
You shouldn't put the 8 shoes. I think it's half right. You probably can give him 0.5.
I'm sure it's 8.
Wait, what?
Anyways.
You get 7.5
I have
peppers.
7.5 peppers.
Okay, so that 1, 2, 3, 4. That would make it a 5.
But the 7 is a size though.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
7.5. Well, guys, let me tell you a story about mommy slippers the other day. And mommy tell me, say, come on, I wear size 7. I went to the place, I saw 7.5. I took it. I brought it home. I said, mommy, try it on. She said, which size? I said, just try it on. She tried it on. She said, oh, my size man is nice. It was 7.5 people. Hey, you can't tell me.
And it's 7 or 7.5. Alright, let's go. What house chore do I enjoy doing most?
I don't know, every morning you wake up 5 o'clock and you do a bag of things.
Most is the operative word there. Most, come on.
Definitely not washing the dishes since I beg every day.
Okay, this one is definitely. I need a specific answer for this one.
Pacific answer.
Oh, yes.
Auntie,
Okay.
no, are you confident over there?
Yes,
girl?
I am.
Alright, ready? One, come on,
Come on,
Casey.
Casey, you're lagging. Casey, you're lagging. Come on, man.
Casey, just 1, 2. Mommy, do the thing.
What
I'm
are you
looking at
feeling?
Casey. No.
Okay.
Casey,
I'm
I'm
looking
looking
at
at Casey.
Oh,
You're watching
sorry,
the people?
okay.
Okay,
No.
let's go. What do you
It's
have,
not this though.
Jason?
It's raking the yard, but it's not that.
I'm working in the yard.
Tied in the house.
That's not the overall thing. But
Tied in the house.
Tied in the house.
I know.
when you start raking the
And
yard.
when this change, you
Well,
used to be
I'm
working
not
in the
there,
yard.
She enjoys doing that, but the most. She enjoys doing that, but she likes tidying the house the most.
Yes, that
That is true.
I thought
Yes,
you said
Byron.
specific as well, so tied in the house is kind of broad, like it's specific.
Really, Casey? Casey? Really now?
Not specific.
That
I
one
thought
is.
specific.
Alright.
Well, okay. When I do have ice cream, what's my favorite flavor?
From Devon House?
Yeah. And anywhere.
Oh,
No, Casey, where you peeping? Alright, let's go. Okay, guys, you can see that Casey is hardly at home. Wow.
Edit the part of it.
Alright. 1.
Okay, let's go. Alright, great
No.
mark for Kason. Not correct.
Roman reasons.
Straight.
Yes,
Roman
yes.
reason.
Straight.
Because the last time I said something about the Roman and Roman reason or something like that.
You're really
Never
not,
said
you're really
For
not
every answer,
answering.
Casey has an excuse.
Okay,
Let's
this
go.
one is just a bonus for Kason. What is the name of the first hotel I visited?
Remember, I think I brother.
Out and bad.
Stunting.
Have it.
Just like that. And I think these are easy questions.
No,
Okay,
man,
yeah,
that
no.
one I can't, cause we can't. I remember the color, it's the green and yellow and white one, but we can't.
That work. That's not every color hotel in Jamaica.
No, brother, they did.
Alright, you want to pass that one, Kason? Okay, that's a 0 for you. What do you... Okay. You want to pass that one as well?
No. I'll take my chances.
Okay, I'm working with the time here.
Hey, come on, I be pandem. Come on, I be pandem. Come on, I be pandem.
Let me see the right one I have
Come on, I
door
be
comes in.
pandem. I forget it right. I forget it
No.
right.
Oh, that's not that.
Mommy, you need to call up a time.
Oh, I've been calling, but case is not finished.
I am.
Okay, let me see what you have,
I have
Kason.
half moon.
Half
Half
moon.
moon.
It's definitely
And that's
not
on the first
Auntie,
one.
let me see what you have.
What do you have, Cam?
Mm-hmm.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have breezes.
No,
No.
I have Rio.
no, it's Holiday Inn.
Oh my God!
Holiday Inn.
Oh
Come
my
on, people.
gosh.
You ever got breezes in?
Once.
Have you ever been to Rio?
No,
No.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know where you got that from. Alright.
What?
What dress size do I wear? We
Because-
discuss it all the
Never
time.
know
But,
When you have to
yes,
put up
but,
my zipper
yeah, but
and
it's different because mommy size. Alright.
No, we discussed
As
this
in
all
maybe
the
like
time.
small, medium, large,
That's
or
what-
like
that's definitely what you
number.
mean.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Yeah.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, number.
I can't do number.
Then
Alright, if you
Because I
can't do
do- I
number,
do
do
my
size.
size.
Okay, do size. What do you have? Large? What do you have?
Give a show camera. Show camera what you have.
Large.
Large, what do you have?
Size 14.
Wrong. What do you have?
Size 12.
Well, it is.
I know this now.
Size 12.
Yes.
I wear 14 cam.
You wear 14?
Yes.
See,
12 it is. Yep.
if I buy a dress, it's gonna be like my going next one and say, yo, she big at the bottom and small at the top. And the man just give me something for that. Like, let me not say 14, 12.
Okay,
I
well
can't
then
do
give me
that.
a medium in that case.
Okay.
Whenever I'm having any difficulty with any gadget or internet or anything, I have a friend that I normally call. This friend lives abroad. She calls me every day, all the time. I always call Dash. What's the name of the person?
Oh,
That's
yes.
the Dash.
Oh, yes.
Better answer them.
Yes.
No, everybody gets the question.
Equal
Like-
treatment seems
Or
like
is it that you cannot
privilege.
spell it? If you can't spell it, that's alright. I'll take any spelling from you.
I can't do it.
Oh my god!
Alright, let's see. What do you have, Maxine?
Call Patricia.
Patricia it is.
I can't feel like Patricia.
Yeah,
Oh, yes,
Patricia.
yes.
Patricia.
Yes.
Patricia. Good.
We have a bonus question?
Put in the points, man.
Oh,
Run
I
out
am
of paper,
sorry.
guys.
It's unfair, brother.
Now we're at the end of the questions. What are my favorite colors? There are 2 favorite colors. So any of them, either of them, you can get a point. What are my favorite colors?
I'm gonna
So
humble
you can just
myself.
give me one.
I'm humbling myself because the last time I went out, I didn't get it right.
I
Oh, I
don't
have to
fancy
find
it.
them. I have to get it right. I have to get it
No.
right.
Okay, are you finished? Let me see.
Auntie, so
Really?
confident.
Oh, you're not finished?
No.
Oh, I think she finished and I wait.
No.
Okay. What do you have, Kason?
Blue.
Blue is correct. What do you have?
Blue is correct.
Blue is indeed correct.
Yellow.
Yellow color. My 2 favorite colors are blue and yellow.
Oh.
Thanks very
I
much.
see, you like lavender as well, so it could be like.
No, I
that,
don't.
that will never umbrella. That
I'm
will
chasing
never
blue and
umbrella.
yellow. You always have a problem with something. What is wrong with
Brother.
you?
No, I thought green was one of your favorite colors.
No, darling.
Bonus.
Yeah, you can have a bonus. How much are points standing?
Okay, point standing. Maxine is at 5, 6, 7, 8.5. Kamo is at 7. Casey is at 6.5. No, 6. These 2 half made 1. 6.
Wait. Wait, no.
No,
1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8.
no, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 8.
Brother?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Brother,
8.
don't cast me get one wrong and to get one wrong. Remember?
6, 7, 8.
We have a tiebreaker, guys.
No, 8.5 for Maxine. Half. 8.5. See half here.
I'm not going for the
Eight.
tiebreaker. I'm
Eight.
taking my winning. I'm not going for. There we go. I told you, Cammy. Cammy.
So, we're not going for the. We're not.
Guys, guys, we didn't know what I said.
This rig. This rig. We stop here. This rig.
Why do we not get
No case on. No
I don't. You're a
case
good
on.
question, Mr. Alright, that is mine. This rig.
But that means you got 6.
This rig.
6 and 8.5, brother? Fine. I accept the loss by half a point.
I accept the victory by half a point.
I'm not really accepting defeat, but I got defeated.
Yes, you did. But you know what, guys? We'll come back to live another day. Hopefully you like this video. It's just something fun. Thank you guys so much for being a part of it. Over and out from our side. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Bye.